If you really want to learn how to make money with AI, then you need to stop what you're doing right now, bookmark this video, and pay attention because I'm going to show you how you can use simple tools, particularly this brand new text to video robot, to create tons of AI videos which you can post to all of your social media accounts and rack up hundreds and thousands of views. But more importantly than views, you can generate tons of affiliate commissions. I'm talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by sharing a link. That's the best part, is all you have to do is click copy, share this link in your videos, and you can earn thousands of dollars in commission. And the best part is this can all run while you're sleeping because it's automated, and we're going to be using AI to do it. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and I have the exact steps that you can follow right here. So let's not waste any time. We'll jump right into this. And by the way, if you want the full webinar on this, obviously there's only so much I can show you in a short YouTube video. So if you want the full webinar, you're going to want to grab the checklist from profitpassively.com. And after you download the checklist, there'll be an option to join the webinar. And the only reason I only offer the webinar to people who get the checklist is because I want you to have the exact steps you need to follow in your hand before you go any further. That way, the only way you can fail is if you choose to do nothing. So go ahead, register for the webinar right now, and then leave a comment on this video that says yes if you want your own robot that makes sales for you 24/7, 365. Like I said, this system can run while you sleep, and we are literally just going to be using a robot that creates videos which we can post to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want. The more places, the better. You can see I've used this to promote TikTok affiliate products. I've used this to promote different softwares. I've used this to earn hundreds of dollars in commissions, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars in commissions. And again, much of it has happened while I'm sleeping. There's no reason you can't do the same thing. So let's jump right into the steps here. Step one is to join your favorite referral program. Now, if you don't have anything to sell, if you don't know what I'm talking about, again, I recommend grabbing the checklist at profitpassively.com because there's hundreds, if not thousands, of different affiliate offers, or in other words, referral programs where companies will pay you just for sharing a link just like this one to their products, and then anytime someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission depending on what the rate is, what they pay. So that's the first step, is to join your favorite referral program. Then you're going to post daily videos that generate traffic. Now, of course, if you want to do everything for free, you can make these videos manually, but if you're lazy, then you can use an AI video generation tool like the one at oneclickvids.com. So when I started the video, you saw ChatGPT running, and what I had it do was generate 10 TikTok video scripts for me. So all I have to do now is copy this script and then come over to the AI video generation tool. And again, that's available at oneclickvids.com. So you're just going to head over to this AI video tool, and you see here there's the option to start with an idea. And so all you'd have to do here is type a sentence, or we can start with an exact script, which is what I'm doing here. So I'll paste the script in. Now there's a few more options down here for the video. I can select whether I want portrait or landscape. So we want a vertical video for TikTok or YouTube or Facebook. So then here we can select a style from cyberpunk, abstract, hyperrealistic, goth, minimalist, watercolor, comic, whatever style you want. And there's also a variety of different voices for you to choose from right here. You can press this play button and sample the voices. But once you select these basic options, all you have to do is click generate video, and this tool is going to generate a video based on whatever idea or script you present it with here. So here you could see a video I created about a teeth whitening product for TikTok affiliate. Again, I've used this to create videos that promote different software, and all you have to do is paste in the script. And again, these scripts can be generated with ChatGPT just by clicking a couple buttons. So the idea here is we're literally just clicking buttons to create these videos, which we can then post and get hundreds and even thousands of views. Again, to generate affiliate commissions, which can rack up to tens of thousands of dollars if you stay committed to this. So that's how easy it is. That's how the tool works. You're literally just copying and pasting, clicking generate video, and then posting those videos and making sales. So uh, that is literally it. There is one more thing you can do, which is if you want to take this to the next level, you can actually start collecting people's email addresses and remarketing to them, again using automation. And the tool I use to do that is at funnelsforever.com. Now this is kind of outside of the scope of what I can show you in this one quick YouTube video, but I'll explain it here with a little diagram the best I can. Again, if you want the full training, be sure to grab the checklist and check out the webinar at profitpassively.com. But here's the best way I can describe it. So we have these AI videos getting pumped out. That's what these drawings are here. It's a little phone screen with the play button. So we have these videos coming out every day, and what we're going to do is send this traffic from these videos into an email list. So here you say it says get offers. So say we made a video promoting our AI video tool, and we say, hey, come to this website if you want to check it out. So people enter their email, and then they get sent over to the offer. That's the link that makes us money. Now, if they decide to bounce and leave the website without buying that offer, that's okay, because the very next day they're going to get an automated email bringing them back to that affiliate link, in hoping that they will make a sale. And each day that goes past, they will get another email until they ultimately buy the product or unsubscribe from the email list. So you can see this is all automated. We have the AI video tool creating the AI videos, and then like I said, if you want to take this up a notch, you can use the email automation tool at funnelsforever.com and create these automated emails, which will then go out to people for as long as you want. You could set this up for a week, you could set this up for a month. It doesn't really matter, but the idea is we are setting up a system of basically bots that are going to take the workload off us and do the things, the kind of manual tasks that we used to sit and have to do manually. It's just going to all happen on autopilot. So really all we need to do to make this happen is click buttons like the generate video button or buttons like the generate script button, and that's it. Then we can watch the sales start rolling in to our affiliate links. So if you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, click the bright red subscribe button down below. If you click the bell icon, you'll get notifications on your phone each and every time I upload a video. So other than that, be sure to grab the checklist from profitpassively.com, and I hope to see you on the next money making video.